Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HOA review process with FirstService Residential, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documents related to the current Homeowners Association review process. This includes the existing guidelines, any feedback from residents, and relevant correspondence. Schedule a meeting with the Board of Directors to discuss the proposed updates. Clearly outline the objectives of the meeting, emphasizing the importance of the review process. Present the current review process, highlighting any areas that require improvement. Encourage board members to share their insights and feedback on the existing procedures. Collect input from residents through surveys or suggestion forms to understand their concerns and expectations. Analyze the feedback to identify common themes and issues raised by the community. Draft a revised review process that addresses these concerns while ensuring transparency and consistency. Incorporate clear timelines for each stage of the review process to manage expectations. Detail the roles and responsibilities of those involved in the review process, ensuring accountability. Include a step for the board to approve the revised process before implementation. Schedule a follow-up meeting to present the proposed changes to the Board of Directors and discuss any final adjustments. Once final approval is received, prepare a communication plan to inform residents of the updated process. This plan should include email notifications, flyers, and announcements at community meetings. Implement the revised review process and monitor its effectiveness regularly. Gather feedback again after 6 months to assess whether the changes meet community needs. Make any necessary adjustments based on this feedback to continue improving the process. By following these steps, you can ensure a more effective and engaging Homeowners Association review process with FirstService Residential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.